In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a numbered column to a table in Confluence. If you've ever needed to reference rows quickly, like assigning IDs to tasks, tracking issues, or confirming sequence, adding a numbered column makes it simple and consistent across your page. Start by opening the Confluence page that already contains the table you want to update. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you can see an edit button near the top, you're good to go. Click Edit to enter the page editor. This takes you from view mode into edit mode so you can make changes to the table. Next, click anywhere inside the table. Placing your cursor in the table activates the table-specific toolbar and options. Depending on your Confluence version, you'll see a small toolbar either just above the table itself or in the editor's main toolbar. Look for the table settings or table options control. It's often represented by a table grid icon or a three-dot menu related to table actions. Open the table settings or options menu. Within that menu, choose the option to insert a numbered column. In some versions, this may appear as numbered column, number column, or row numbering. As soon as you select it, Confluence will add a new column, usually on the far left, that automatically numbers each row in sequence. Now take a moment to review the table. Scroll through and check that every data row has a number. Header rows, if you're using them, typically won't be numbered, and that's expected. If you notice any row without a number, confirm it's a standard row and not a header or a special layout. Merged cells or nested tables can sometimes affect how numbering displays, so keep an eye out for anything unusual and verify that the sequence flows as intended. Once everything looks correct in the editor, publish the page to save your changes. Click Publish, then wait for the page to reload in view mode. This final step confirms that the numbered column appears correctly for all viewers. Give the table another quick scan in view mode. Check the top and bottom of the table. Ensure the numbers are visible across any scrolling regions and confirm the sequence is intact. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a numbered column to your Confluence table, making it easier for readers to reference and discuss specific rows with clarity and confidence.